Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, building muscle requires a combination of consistent strength training and a diet rich in high-quality protein. Here are the top 20 high-protein foods that can help you achieve your muscle gain goals. 1. Chicken breast. Protein content: 31 grams per 100 grams. Chicken breast is a lean source of protein, making it a staple for muscle-building diets. 2. Turkey breast. Protein content: 29 grams per 100 grams. Similar to chicken, turkey breast is low in fat and high in protein. 3. Eggs. Protein content: 6 grams per large egg. Eggs are a complete protein source, providing all essential amino acids. 4. Greek yogurt. Protein content: 10 grams per 100 grams. Greek yogurt is thicker and creamier than regular yogurt, with a higher protein content. 5. Cottage cheese. Protein content: 11 grams per 100 grams. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and is ideal for muscle maintenance. 6. Salmon. Protein content: 25 grams per 100 grams. Salmon is also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. 7. Tuna. Protein content: 29 grams per 100 grams. Tuna is a convenient, high-protein option, often available canned for quick meals. 8. Lean beef. Protein content: 26 grams per 100 grams. Lean cuts of beef provide a rich source of protein and essential nutrients like iron. 9. Pork loin. Protein content: 27 grams per 100 grams. Pork loin is another lean meat option that is high in protein. 10. Quinoa. Protein content: 8 grams per cup cooked. Quinoa is a plant-based complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids. 11. Lentils. Protein content: 9 grams per 100 grams. Lentils are a great plant-based protein source, also high in fiber. 12. Chickpeas. Protein content: 19 grams per cup cooked. Chickpeas are versatile and can be added to various dishes for a protein boost. 13. Edamame. Protein content: 11 grams per 100 grams. Edamame, or young soybeans, are a high-protein snack or addition to meals. 14. Almonds. Protein content: 21 grams per 100 grams. Almonds are a great source of plant-based protein and healthy fats. 15. Peanut butter. Protein content: 25 grams per 100 grams. Peanut butter is a tasty way to increase your protein intake, especially in snacks. 16. Hemp seeds. Protein content: 31 grams per 100 grams. Hemp seeds are a complete protein source, rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. 17. Chia seeds. Protein content: 17 grams per 100 grams. Chia seeds are packed with protein, fiber, and omega-3s. 18. Tofu. Protein content: 8 grams per 100 grams. Tofu is a versatile plant-based protein, often used in vegetarian and vegan diets. 19. Tempeh. Protein content: 19 grams per 100 grams. Tempeh is a fermented soy product with a high protein content and a firm texture. 20. Seitan. Protein content: 75 grams per 100 grams. Seitan, also known as wheat gluten, is a very high-protein meat substitute. Including these high-protein foods in your diet can help you build and maintain muscle effectively. Remember to balance your protein intake with other essential nutrients and maintain a consistent workout routine for the best results.